This is the Ohio AgNet from the Voice You Know with the News You Trust studio, sponsored by BASF and Sidua, the most trusted name in herbicides, providing Ohio soybean and corn acres with up to 2 weeks more residual activity in broad-spectrum weed control. I'm Allison Kinney. Now let's take a look at what's making agricultural news. U.S. ethanol production edged higher for the week ending April 10th, according to the data from the Energy Information Administration analyzed by the Renewable Fuels Association. Output rose 0.4% at the 5-week high of 1.11 million barrels per day, or 40.4 million gallons a day. Production was up 10.7% from a year ago and exceeded the 3-year average by more than 11%. Ethanol inventories also increased, climbing 2.5% to 26.7 million barrels. Stock levels remain slightly below last year, but above the 3-year average, with gains concentrated along the east and Gulf coasts.
Bottom of 31 sold them 30,000, Gene.
Get ready to bid on the heavy equipment and vehicles you need in a Ritchie Brothers Midwest Regional Auction happening May 12th. Inventory is housed at Minneapolis, Kansas City, Chicago, Columbus, Detroit, and Lincoln locations. Choose from a wide selection of construction and transportation equipment. Don't miss this opportunity. Visit rbauction.com/Chicago to sign up. Again, that's rbauction.com/Chicago.
Hey farmers, planting season is almost here, and Ohio AgNet wants to bring lunch to your farm. Our Feeding Farmers contest is going statewide, and we'll soon be picking farms across Ohio to receive a visit from the Ohio AgNet and free lunch for your farm family and crew. If you'd like us to stop by, get signed up today. Just visit ohioagnet.com/feedingfarmers to enter. Feeding Farmers is brought to you by Ag Revolution, Paradise Energy Solutions, and the Ohio AgNet. The voice you know with the news you trust.
Now let's take a look at the markets. Brought to you by Seed Consultants, simply better performance. Learn more online at seedconsultants.com. May corn's closing in today up 1/4 cent at 4.48 3/4. July corn down 1/4 cent at 4.57 1/2. December corn up 1/4 cent at 4.77. May soybeans are up 3.5 at 11.67 1/4. July soybeans up 2.5 at 11.83. July wheat is down 7 1/4 at 5.99 1/4. September wheat down 6.5 at 6.11 3/4. Now looking to livestock, April live cattle are down 35 cents at 249.95. May lean hogs are down 65 cents at 93.40, and May feeder cattle are down 182 at 365.27. Thanks for joining us. You're listening to the Ohio AgNet.